How to change profile picture and name. Open WhatsApp and once open make sure you are on the main chat screen. Now click on the three dots in the top right and select Settings. At the top of the screen you will see your current profile picture, blank if you have not yet set one, and the name. Tap in that area to open your profile. To change the profile picture, click on the camera icon next to the photo. Here you can choose whether to take a photo with the camera, choose one from the gallery or from the camera roll, or set an avatar as the profile picture. As for changing the name, instead click on it. In the box that opens, write your new name and finally click Save.